Hi Leonard, this is Spencer here from Prime Mercedes. I have with me here a vehicle similar to the one that you inquired about. This is a 2016 E350 4MATIC. So this comes in a black metallic paint and it has a black interior as well. We have our Mercedes-Benz LED headlights up front here, chrome along the front lip. And coming along the side of the vehicle, we have these 5-spoke Mercedes-Benz wheels, our turn indicators and blind spot assist on the mirrors. We have chrome along the window frames, and this vehicle comes with a panoramic roof as well, so you can see that full glass roof up top. Along the back here, we have these wraparound LED taillights and our Mercedes E350 and 4MATIC badging for our all-wheel drive system. We have some chrome exhaust pipes down here on the bottom, and to open it up, all you have to do is hold the trunk button there and it opens up. As you can see, we have a very large trunk. One cool thing that this model comes with is the comfort box, so any groceries, any extra storage, anything like that, you can put in there so it doesn't roll around in the trunk, and it stores away very easily. We have our rear seats here that fold down from these switches, and to close the trunk, all we have to do is press this button right here and it closes right up for us. Coming along to the side of our car, we have the rear seats. So you can see this has the black leather with the white contrast stitching, and you can see this wood grain trim along the door panels as well. It continues further along in the front. We get to the driver and passenger seats, and again we have that wood grain trim along on the door panels and on the dash and center console as well. So let's hop in and go for a ride. Hi Leonard, now we are inside the E350, and like I said, here we have the black leather with the wood grain trim. It goes along the dash and the center console here as well. So we'll take a little drive around the dealership. To get going, to drive, all you have to do is push down on this gear selector like so, and we are rolling. This car, it's 2016 and it's in absolutely amazing condition. No scratches or scrapes or tears in the leather. It has just over 37,000 miles, so super low mileage for a car of this model year. And some really cool features that it comes with is we have our heated seats here and our buttons up front with our 3 different settings, and it has a heated steering wheel as well. For those cold northeast winters, that heated steering wheel really makes a big difference. We have our rear sunshade, which comes up out back, and like I had mentioned before, this panoramic roof really opens up the interior of the cabin and lets a lot of natural light in, makes it a really bright and nice place to be during the day. You can also close that with a fabric cover if you don't want the light coming in as well. This vehicle, it has navigation, Bluetooth, SIRIUS radio, all of those things you'd expect to get in Mercedes. They are here in this model. We have our dual zone climate control and a lot of other great safety features as well. This car also comes equipped with the Harman kardon surround sound system, so you get an upgraded stereo. Sounds absolutely amazing. You hear that really crisp noise. You have a good vocals, good bass, all of that. It sounds absolutely phenomenal. This vehicle, especially for highway cruising and even in the city too, is absolutely amazing to drive. Super smooth. It's running a 7-speed automatic transmission. If you have any further questions about the car, you can give me a call at my cell phone number. Again, my name is Spencer. My cell phone number is 207-210-4796, or you can email me. My email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.